What's going on, guys? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we are taking a look at this Jayco J-Flight 225 MLS. This RV sleeps for and is perfect for small families, but it is not a bunkhouse. Let's get to it. Alright, going over some of the specs before we tour this RV. The unloaded vehicle weight is 5,300 pounds. You have a gross vehicle weight of 6,700 pounds, an overall length of 27 feet 1 inches, and an interior height of 6 feet 9 inches. Let's tour this camper. Alright, so starting on the outside of this camper, you have outdoor speakers, an 18-foot awning, and solid steps. Underneath the front, you have an underbelly storage compartment, which is really nice, propane tank holder, and electric tongue jack. That is a huge plus because that's an upgrade a lot of people do, so it's nice to already have it. Coming on into the inside, you have a queen bed, cabinet space on either side, and a curtain to close off the space. Theater seating there, which we'll go back to a little bit later. Coming on into the kitchen, we'll talk more about this in a little bit, but there is cabinet space everywhere in this RV, a farmhouse sink, but let's get into the bathroom first before we get back to the kitchen. Huge shower, lots of headroom, and the storage in this RV. They really put storage and cabinets everywhere, so that's nice to see, and there was a lot of room around the toilet. Underneath the dinette that flips into a bed, you have storage. Also on the side of the dinette, you have very deep cabinets as well as some overhead. Stepping on back into the kitchen, lots of cabinet space. I mean, there are drawers and cabinets everywhere. Here is the oven with a cooktop, as well as a fan up above, and more cabinet space. Last but not least, you have a huge refrigerator. Alright, so here is the theater seats. They have a swivel table with cup holders, but to get that fourth sleeping spot, you can change those out with a trifold sofa. Underneath the queen bed up front, I wanted to show you all this storage. I wish it was connected to the underbelly storage, but it isn't. You also have some cabinet space above, and that's going to do it for this tour of the Jayco J-Flight 225 MLS. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and travel adventures. See you on the road.